Look at this. I found this dead shad. Let's see if we could catch anything with him. Oh, that's fishy, but look at that shad right there. There's some blow-ups happening right there. Let's see if we could land a fish. Oh yeah, there's something big right there. Oh yeah, look at them blow-ups. Great. Oh, got him. Yep. Oh, ladyfish. Yup, there you go. Oh, I got hooked. Yo, got a little nice fish action right there. Let's see if we could get on one fish right here. Lots of action right here, boys. Let's see, one fish. Oh, big blow up right there. Big blow up. It's gonna go down for a bit of time. Big, huge, humongous blow up right there. Oh man, we got to come out here more often. Oh my goodness, this is insane action. Nothing like I have seen before. Huge blow ups right in front of me. Let's see if we can land one. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, look at all of them blow ups. But this is what we're working with here. 1/8 ounce lure with the little baby shrimp right there. Pretty dope. Great castability on this little lure. I mean this little combo right here. Let's see if we can secure nice little fishy right now. Right off the side of the highway. Let's go. There's moving. Right over them. Yep, I'm over them right now. Yep, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's sign down that drag. Let's keep reeling in. Keep reeling in. Oh, we lost him. We lost him again. Drop it right up there. Right on his head again. Let's see if we can pull. Let it sink down all the way. Let's see if we can pull up something. Oh yeah, look, blow ups right here. Dude, they are smacking it. Look, they're all running. They're all chasing the bait. Oh, I got some right there. Nice. Dude, nice fish. Nice fish. Look at that. Look. Got him. Nice little red right here. Look at that. Oh, came out just like that. Now we're gonna let him go. Look at him. A marvelous species. Let's see if we could catch something bigger. Something is bound to hit that. There's so much bait fish in the water getting chased right now. So much bait fish. Look at that. Look. They're all just getting chased. If I had something... Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. I got hit on a rock. Looks like all the bait fish has moved out of this area. Not a lot of blow-ups on top either. So, looks like I scared them all away. We have to cast right there. That post is where all the flounder are stacked. So hopefully, with all these bait fish in the water... Oh, we got some. We got some. Right there. Nice guy. Yep, right there. Oh, another one. Another one for the books. Oh, that is a lovely fish right there. Oh, Operation Save Fish. There we go. Okay, let's see if we could pull up another one right now. Right now, they are attacking on top of the water. As you can see, oh no. Wait, I got one of these baby fish, look. We managed to snag one of these little shad. There we go. So we hooked up the little shad that we accidentally snagged, and let's see if we could land a monster fish. We got nothing on that cast, so let's cast out again. And right there, we got hit on a fish. This fish right here is one of the most hated fish in America. We do not associate with these fish. Not before long, I landed on a big fish. Oh, there we go. Nice. Look at this. Nice one right here. Look at that nice red. We're gonna let this guy go and come for another one. All I'm doing is casting this lure out and working it back really slow. With a lure, you want to twitch, pause. So you're basically making it look like there's an actual fish on the line. It's super easy to do, yet super effective. Right now, they're all at the bottom. Right there. Landed another one. Oh, this one's a nice one. Oh, oh no. Dude, got him. Right in the mouth. Just like that, we landed a nice flounder.